Yo guys! What's up? At welcome ulit sa ating channel. And in this video ay ipapakita ko sa inyo yung recently acquired natin na Airsoft Vest para sa ating Airsoft group na Central Harlequins Airsoft Force. So, ito yung FSB Vest na kakabili lang namin online. And sa mga nagtatanong dyan, ito lang ba talaga yung vest na darating once ordered? Wala na ba itong inclusions? So, that's not all. Kasi mayroon itong utility bag, mayroon itong radio pouch, mayroon din itong triple magazine pouch for your magazines, and also a chest pouch. So, ilalagay na natin siya sa kanyang molly. Ito yung niya, maaari nating lagyan yun kahit saan, sa likod at harap. At so, ang galing mo, Anggoy! Ang galing! Ito yung FSBE vest from Shopee. At sa nagtatanong kung mayroon ba itong brand, ay wala po itong brand, sir. This is only Every production yung And yung leather niya, yung fabric niya is, hindi ako sigurado if it's around 600D siguro. Kasi hindi gaano makapal yung niya eh. Parang bag lang. At so we recently acquired not just one, not just two, neither 3 or 4, but we have acquired 5 of this. So, oh my God! Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, tsaka 5. So, we acquired 5 FSB vest and there is 5 more on the way. We have just ordered. So, sulit yung pera nyo sa gantong vest. Yun nga lang, yung breathability niya ay isang issue kasi medyo walang ventilation yung likod niyo pag sinusuot niyo yung ganito eh. So, expected na papawisan talaga kayo. But, it has almost a maximum protection against from airsoft BBs or even paintball or Gelsoft. So, that's all in this video. This is Mike 1 and thank you for watching.